let's remove this interior panel first. We remove this buckle with a card warp. Okay. One on each side. After we remove these two buckles, just pull down in turn. Okay, until this. And the stick comes off. We're going to prepare one of these threading sticks because our speed limiter is from here all the way down this way. So we're going to wear sticks. Give it a line through here through this leather case. So we're going to first put this threading tool into this leather case. After we open this interface, we will pass this charging stick to this side. That's convenient. We'll give it the string later. Then we find our connector and we tie it up. Okay? Then we thread the thread out. Now, let's plug this plug into it. This is the plug for our pilot light. Insert firmly. Okay, you can fix it with tape and cable ties or something. Open the tape. Later, this thread will go through the gap into this rubber strip. Okay, let's put it through here. Then stuff this thing in a waterproof bag. This must be stuffed. Well, and you take the line from here all the way. We go through this gap in the rear bumper. Give it this to where now we're going to dismantle this, right? Rotate these two buckles to 90 degrees. Buckle this plate down. We'll just pull it over here. Take the card off our old board. Take out our new lamp. Install this buckle one. Very easy to install. As soon as you press it, it goes up. Then plug into the corresponding plug. The plug itself is it's waterproof, but just to be on the safe side. Put some tape around it to fix it. Now that we're done, then put the thread in. Put this back on. We just push it up. Then rotate the buckle 90 degrees. Rotate it 90 degrees. Lock it up. Okay, so it's firm. You seem very obedient. And then we turn on our lights. Check it out. After installing, we will restore all the interior panels and this rubber strip to it. Check it out. It's okay.